Hi, welcome to English and Learn to Speak with Sai. English for Beginners, Part 1. Do you know English alphabet? Yes? No? Let's check. You can write this by yourself. As you know, there are 26 alphabet letters in English. But do you pronounce it correctly? Let's check. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here, I've given certain letters red and green. I'll tell you what it is. Have you ever heard of vowels and consonants? 5 of the 26 alphabet letters are vowels and 21 are consonants. The letters in red in the previous slide are all vowels. Let's see. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Consonants. Those alphabet letters excluding vowels are all consonants. But Y is an exception. Now you may have a question. Why Y is an exception? Yes, Y is an exception. It can be considered as a semi-vowel. It can be regarded as both a vowel and a consonant because it is made in a similar way to a vowel but functions in contrast to vowels when used in words. Now, have you understood how to pronounce correctly? If so, let's say it once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are certain letters of the alphabet which are mispronounced even by the native speakers. Let's look at it. Most mispronounced English alphabet: A, F, H, J, K, L, O, S, W, X, Y, Z. Let's say it once again. A, F, H, J, K, L, O, S, W, X, Y, Z. Now, let's say in 1 second. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. I'll be back soon. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.